What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing this very easy, chill, and very realistic makeup look that looks incredible in winters. What I love about this makeup look is that my skin looks like skin. You can still see a few acne marks on the skin. This kind of makeup look focuses more on the person than the makeup. Now, without any delay, let's get started. As we are doing a very minimal and no makeup look, the focus will be on the skin. So make sure your skin is nicely hydrated and moisturized. I even apply a nice layer of lip balm on my lips. You can use pretty much any moisturizer that works for you. Doing this step right really helps to get that smooth and glowing skin, and it is extremely important to get the canvas right. I am not applying any primer because I like how my makeup naturally fades through the day. For that soft and dewy kind of look, I am going to apply only concealer. So I am going to take my Daughter Earth, the concealer in the shade Latte. So I am putting this under my eyes to just hide a little bit of the dark circles and to conceal any prominent acne marks that I have. To use the concealer, you can use a brush or a damp makeup sponge to apply the product. But my favorite method is to use my fingers because the warmth of the fingers melts the products like a butter into the skin. And you can instantly see a difference on both the sides. The coverage is medium buildable. You can see how beautifully it melts into the skin and can easily replace a foundation. A lot of time, I let my natural eyelid pigmentation show through. It always looks that I am wearing an eyeshadow. But for this look, I will apply the slightest amount of the concealer so that when I do my eyes, the eyeshadow will pop. Next, I am just going to set the areas where I have applied the concealer. And I don't like to go very heavy. I just use any translucent compact that I have. And can you see? It looks that I have nothing on the skin. I am so much in love with this concealer because it matches me perfectly and looks super natural. It evens out the skin but doesn't add too much coverage. I can't step out of my house without any blush on. And these days I'm too much into the lip and cheek tints because again, they look beautiful on the skin. They make the skin look very flush, plump and youthful. A lot of times, I just apply a little bit of this on my skin and go out. I highly recommend this lip and cheek tint. If you're looking for a new lip and cheek tint product, do consider this one. I am taking my Daughter Earth lip and cheek tint in the shade Original Pink. It has very natural glow to it. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheek, and I can't get over this one. On the usual days, I apply the same tint on my lips too and I'm good to go out. But for this look, I have a lipstick that I will show you in a minute. If you see, even now my skin looks really nice and glowing. You can leave the makeup right over here. But for me, the makeup remains incomplete without a highlighter. So I'm going to take my Daughter Earth Glow Goddess Illuminator, which was in the collaboration with Coralista. On the usual areas where I like to highlight, I will just apply this beautiful illuminator. I like to apply this on my cheekbones, cupid bow and the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids as one and done eyeshadow. Remember that it's a cream product, so you will have to set this using a similar powder eyeshadow. I remember a few weeks back when I was looking for a highlighter and the video of Ankita from Coralista popped on my screen, and instantly that illuminator took my heart. It looks incredibly beautiful on the skin and such a beautiful golden glow. This peachy gold cream formula looks so good on Indian skin tone and it's very easy to use. If there is one product that you have to get from this video, then get your hands on this illuminator and I know you will love it as much as I do. Last but not the least, it's time for the lips. I love my nude shades of lippies and I know with all the looks that I create, I always apply a nude shade of lipstick. Even today, I'm applying Dr. Earth's Photo Nutrient Lipstick in the shade Gypsy Road. It is ultra pigmented and you get the color in just one swipe. What I love about this lipstick is that it is non-drying matte lipstick, which is like perfect for winter. I hope you guys enjoy this super easy dewy makeup look. As always, the products that I have used in this video will be there in the description box. With that, I'm signing off. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fashionable Nari for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.